Today, we're adding a super energetic visual called the flashing body effect. Great for flashy edits, dance reels, or up scenes or dramatic transformations. Let's begin. Start by importing your video into CapCut and tap on the clip to select it. Now, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, open the Body Effects category. Inside, under the Hits tab, look for an effect called Figure Glare. Tap on it to apply. You'll immediately see a glowing flash effect appear around your subject, almost like bright energy outlines pulsing from their body. It gives a bold, eye catching highlight that works especially well in high energy edits. To customize it, tap on the effect again to open the adjustment menu. Here, you'll find several sliders to fine tune the look. Speed controls how fast the flashing happens, increase for energetic rapid flashing, or lower for a slower light pulse. Color lets you choose the flash color. Warmer tones feel energetic, while cooler tones look futuristic. Glow adjusts the brightness and softness of the glow. Higher glow creates a brighter, more radiant outline. Intensity controls how strong or bold the flash appears around the body. Atmosphere adds more mood and nuance to the overall tone of the effect. Play with these sliders until you get the look you're going for, from subtle glowing accents to intense flashing power energy. You can also shorten or extend the duration of the effect on the timeline to match specific moves or transitions within your video. And that's it. You've successfully created the flashing body effect using the figure glare preset in CapCut Mobile. Use it to add dramatic flair and highlight your subject in exciting ways. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile editing tips.